You guys know that I have been on the Halloween kit here. Oh my goodness. Girl, I just can't. This is gonna be a little chit chat and an unboxing. So July was not the easiest month for me. I will say I'm so grateful that we did still meet our goal of getting to 600 subscribers. Yay! You guys know that I've been on the hunt for Halloween. Like, I got a couple of pieces out. If you notice here behind me, I have my spooky lantern, and those are not spookies, those are just my son's cowboy boots. He left them here when he went back to Charleston. I was like, accent piece, so I left those. I got these cute little like Halloween dolls. They were $12.99. So this one and this one. I was so in love with these because I just thought that they were so cute. So we have a boy and a girl, which kind of mimics my little monsters in the house. So I did get these two pieces. Obviously the colors are probably going to be orange, black, and white. That's kind of what I'm feeling. I definitely know I need a little bit more orange to like pop some things, like pops of color. But these were cute. As you can see, he has his little hat on. I love it. His little bow tie. And then she has her little bow. So these are my little monsters of the house. So I did get those two things from Hobby Lobby. The next thing that I got, I actually just broke. Broke again! Oh my gosh! Y'all. But I was in love with this. I'm gonna have to like, look at this. I'm gonna have to hot glue it or something. If you guys know what I can use to put this back together, definitely let me know, because it's not like I can take it back. I still got the tags on it though, but it was my fault, like I dropped it. So she was $24.99. I liked it because it did have the black cat on it, but let me show you how it's supposed to look. Hold on. You see that? I love the detail on it. And this was the only one. Hobby Lobby. This is a Cynthia Raleigh Curious piece. I'm going to have to mend it back together. Okay, I have finally found something that's going to work for my skin. So this is my first true order from Curology, not the trial. So it tells you, it gives you the order in which to use the products. It says here, love your skin every day. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt. Use your custom formula. It's mixed just for you because your skin isn't like anyone else's. And that's the plus with Curology. It's gonna be designed for you. And then moisturizer. Finish with our moisturizer to keep hydration on lockdown. So they also send you a little gift, and it looks like I got a lip balm, which I love. Let's open this up. If I can get it open. Oh, I'm opening it the wrong way. So this is their lip balm, and it's a mint. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. So it's a mint lip balm. So you have this little button that you slide down and it comes out. So isn't that cute? And we pop it on. Very minty, very smooth. So let's open this. They have these little patches, emergency spot patches that you can use. Whenever you do have a breakout, you can put it on like the actual pimple and it gets better. So what do we have here? Really quickly, we have the micellar water for makeup remover. We have a full-size moisturizer. We have the night cream. We have the cleanser. And we have, help me Jesus. And we have the acne body wash, which I'm in love with. Really comes in handy. I just leave it in the shower and I notice a difference. So now that we have Curology out the way, let's mosey on to the next thing. So I got something from Prime. What did I, oh, See, it's been so long, I forgot what I ordered. To keep up with the amount of water that I'm drinking, I did get this liter water bottle. I thought about getting the gallon one, but I just didn't like the idea of having to carry that into the gym. I have not been yet. July was supposed to be like all about hitting the gym and getting back into the things after this tummy tuck, but y'all, I just was not feeling great at all. At all. Another thing that I got that is one of my, y'all know, we always have to have a Bath and Body Works product just because they are so good at what they do. Love it, love it, love it. So they did come out with their fall line, and I am in love with this Autumn Woods fragrance candle. So this is the second one that I purchased. It just really has a clean smell. It is made with essential oil. They had these on sale for 2 for $22 for a while. So I did get 2 of these just to pick up to try some new scents. And I'm absolutely in love with this. I burned the other one because you guys know candles don't last long around me. So they get burned. The next thing we have is a sponsored product. So we have our first sponsor now. Yay! So that's a really big thing because now, you know, we're at 600 subscribers. It's starting to feel a little bit, you know, a little bit more real. The sponsor is Bariatric Pal. Bariatric Pal is an online store that provides health and wellness products, from vitamins to supplements to keto-friendly foods. So, you know, I was all into trying out some new things. Okay. All right, so we got some soybean fettuccine. Now, I love fettuccine Alfredo, and I usually like to cook it with turkey sausage, like turkey smoked sausage, and it comes out great. So I can't wait to prepare these noodles with my regular fettuccine recipe. We also got some black bean spaghetti. Now, it sounds like it would be interesting. It looks like Halloween, I ain't gonna lie, but we're gonna have to see how this turns out. Now, we had spaghetti when did we have spaghetti? We had spaghetti Sunday night. I didn't pull these out because I wanted to share it with you guys before I pulled anything out. But the next time I make spaghetti, we will be using our black bean spaghetti to just see how it tastes, how it handles, and how you prepare them. Okay. So we also got some calcium citrate soft chews. Now, I got the flavor Wild Grape. This is a cool way to add more calcium into your diet. You just take these one at a time, once a day. Okay, so they're actually wrapped. Bella. Bella's gonna knock over the camera. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like, Bella, no. What do you call this thing? Starburst? That's what it reminds me of. Really tasty. Easy way to get your calcium in. Easy way to get your vitamins in. Definitely check out the website. I'll leave the link below. But we will get together and create a recipe with our noodles so that, you know, you'll know how they taste. So this is our last box that we have for today. This was a gift, actually. Now I'm remembering. This was a gift from my mom. So I have no idea. What it is. Roses are red, violets are blue. Would you rate us or leave a review? Okay, interesting. Oh wow, this is very sleek and unique. It looks like a vase of some sort. This is an indication that I need new flowers. Thank you, Mom. So I'm gonna have to go and pick some flowers to go into this, but isn't this beautiful? So a sleek and unique vase. I love it. Okay, guys. So that is all that we have for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely consider like, commenting, and subscribing. I really appreciate the 600 followers that I have. Once again, if you made it this far in the video, definitely hit the smiley face emoji to let me know that you rocked out to the end and that you're here with us. If you are new here, my name is Reagan. I'm a labor and delivery nurse. I like to share videos on lifestyle and budget-friendly hauls and also career tips. If you're interested in any of that, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you